Hello friends, my name is Jack and I'm from America. Today in this video, we're going to tell you about some interesting facts about Guyana that will blow your mind. Along with this, we'll also discuss Guyana's introduction, history, nightlife, places to visit, sports, and more. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Guyana is a country located in the South American continent, with its capital being Georgetown. The country is surrounded by the Atlantic Ocean to the north, Brazil to the south, Suriname to the east, and Venezuela to the west. Introduction. The name Guyana comes from the word Guyana, which means land of water. This country is known for its diverse culture, languages, and natural beauty. History. Guyana's history is very ancient, with influences from various cultures and civilizations. The indigenous people were the Amerindians, who were later replaced by European settlers. In 1814, Guyana became a British colony and gained independence in 1966. Nightlife. Guyana's nightlife is centered in Georgetown, with numerous bars, clubs, and restaurants. You can enjoy Caribbean music, dance, and cuisine in the nightlife. Places to visit. Guyana has many tourist attractions, including 1. Kaieteur Falls, the world's highest waterfall. 2. Mount Roraima, a massive mountain located on the border of Guyana, Brazil, and Venezuela. 3. Georgetown, the capital city with many historical buildings and museums. 4. Iwakrama River Lodge, a wildlife reserve with many rare species. Transportation. Guyana has 4 international airports. 1. Chedi-Jagan International Airport, Georgetown. 2. Ogle International Airport, Georgetown. 3. Envidado International Airport, Lethem. 4. Mahdia International Airport, Mahdia. Economy. Guyana's economy is mainly based on agriculture, mining, and manufacturing. The country's main exports include 1. Sugar, 2. Rice, 3. Gold, 4. Bauxite, 5. Vegetable oil. Economy. Guyana's economy is of medium size, with a total GDP of around $3.5 billion. Food. Guyana's cuisine is diverse and delicious, with Caribbean, African, and Indian influences. Some popular dishes include 1. Yellow fish, 2. Kukura, a type of meat, 3. Metamji, a type of soup, 4. Fry rice, 5. Roti. Additional information about Guyana. Area. Guyana's area is approximately 214,969 square kilometers, slightly larger than India's Rajasthan state. Population. Guyana's population is around 780,000, comprising various ethnicities and communities. Languages. Several languages are spoken in Guyana, including 1. English, official, 2. Creole, 3. Hindi, 4. Urdu, 5. Akawayo religion. Guyana is home to various religions, including 1 Hindu, 2 Christian, 3. Muslim, 4. Buddhist, 5. Others. Amazing facts about Guyana. 1. Highest waterfall, Kaieteur Falls, the world's highest waterfall, is located in Guyana with a height of 741 feet. Second smallest country in South America. Guyana is South America's smallest country, covering approximately 214,969 square kilometers. 3. Largest climate reserve. Canaima National Park in Guyana is the world's largest climate reserve, featuring numerous rivers, lakes, and waterfalls. 4. Oldest river. The Essequibo River in Guyana is the world's oldest river, approximately 1.7 billion years old. 5. Largest green area. The Amazon rainforest in Guyana is the world's largest green area, providing around 40% of oxygen. 6. Gold mines. Guyana has numerous gold mines, significantly contributing to the country's economy. 7. Most diverse biodiversity. Guyana boasts the world's most diverse biodiversity, hosting several rare species. 8. English, Hindi, and Urdu languages. Guyana speaks English, Hindi, and Urdu, reflecting its diverse culture. 9. Caribbean culture. Guyana has significant Caribbean cultural influences, evident in its history and traditions. 10. Largest hydroelectric plant. The Amaila hydroelectric plant in Guyana is the world's largest, meeting the country's energy needs. Education is valued in Guyana, with a literacy rate of around 85%. Key educational institutions include 1. University of Guyana. 2. Guyana Technical Institute. Health. Guyana offers healthcare services, with major hospitals including 1. Georgetown Hospital. 2. New Amsterdam Hospital Environment. Guyana prioritizes environmental conservation, addressing issues like 1. Deforestation. 2. Water pollution. 3. Air pollution. Economic partners. Guyana's key economic partners are 1. United States. 2. Canada. 3. United Kingdom. 4. India. 5. China. Debunking myths about Guyana. Myth 1. Guyana is a poor country. Reality. Guyana's economy has improved recently, with a growing GDP. Myth 2. Guyana is all jungle. Reality. While Guyana has jungles, it also has cities, towns, and villages. Myth 3. Guyana has no roads. Reality. Guyana has approximately 7,000 kilometers of roads. Myth 4. Only English is spoken in Guyana. Reality. Guyana speaks multiple languages, including Hindi, Urdu, Creole, and Akawayo. Myth 5. Guyana lacks industries. Reality. Guyana has mining, agriculture, manufacturing, and tourism industries. Myth 6. Guyana lacks educational institutions. Reality. Guyana has several educational institutions. Myth 7. Guyana lacks healthcare services. Reality. Guyana offers healthcare services. Relationships between men and women in Guyana. Traditional methods. 1. Family introductions. 2. Community events. 3. Religious events. Modern methods. 1. Social media. 2. Dating apps. 3. Clubs and bars. 4. Sports and activities. Cultural and social aspects. 1. Respect and courtesy. 2. Family values. 3. Communication challenges. 1. Gender discrimination. 2. So Guyana in 2050. Some key points about Guyana's future prospects in 2050. 1. Economic growth. Guyana's economy is expected to experience rapid growth, particularly in the oil and gas sector. 1. Energy independence. Guyana may become self-sufficient in meeting its energy needs through renewable energy sources. 1. Environmental conservation. Guyana may intensify its environmental conservation efforts to protect its Amazon rainforest and combat climate change. 1. Education and healthcare. Guyana may see improvements in education and healthcare services, leading to better human development indices. 1. Technological advancements. Guyana may experience technological advancements, enhancing its economy and lifestyle. 1. Tourism development. Guyana can promote its natural beauty and cultural heritage to develop its tourism sector. 1. International cooperation. Guyana can strengthen its economic and political position through international cooperation. In addition to these prospects, Guyana will need to address its challenges, including climate change impacts, economic inequality, improving education and healthcare services, environmental conservation, political stability. These predictions and challenges will be crucial for Guyana in 2050. Note, this is a general forecast and actual events may vary based on various factors. Politics in Guyana. Guyana is a parliamentary democracy, with the president serving as the head of state and the prime minister as the head of government. The country's political landscape features several parties, including 1. People's Progressive Party, PPP, a centre-left party. 2. People's National Congress, PNC, a centre-right party. Third Alliance for Change, AFC, a centre-right party. Fourth Justice for All Party, JFAP, a smaller party. Key political issues in Guyana. 1. Economic development. 2. Corruption. 3. Social justice. 4. Education and healthcare. 5. Environmental conservation. 6. Political stability. 7. International relations. Presidents of Guyana. 1. Mohammed Irfaan Ali, 2020 to present. 2. David Granger, 2015 to 2020. 3. Donald Ramotar, 2011 to 2015. Challenges facing Guyana's politics. 1. Political divisions. 2. Economic inequality. 3. Social tensions. 4. Environmental conservation. 5. International pressure. Achievements in Guyana's politics. 1. Establishment of democracy. 2. Economic growth. 3. Social reforms. 4. Environmental conservation efforts. 5. Improved international relations. This information provides a general overview of politics in Guyana. Additional facts: Guyana gained independence from British colonial rule in 1966. The country has a bicameral legislature consisting of the National Assembly and the Regional Democratic Council. Guyana is a member of the Caribbean Community, CARICOM, the Organization of American States, OAS, and the United Nations, UN. The political system is based on the 1980 Constitution.